Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to merge two different clips here on CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so we can see here we already have one clip. Let me just throw another one in there as well. We now have two very different clips that we'd like to merge. So all we need to do is grab the first one and we'll grab the second one, but that's straight after as well. Now I'm going to put them right next to each other because I now want to go to transitions at the very top of the screen. Select the transition I'd quite like. So let's do this one, for example. I can then click and drag, and I want to put this right between these two clips. And I click OK. And now if I click play, you can see it has successfully put these two together. Of course, there are lots of other transitions, so make sure you have a look through and find the one that works best for you. I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.